We will communicate with you promptly and efficiently.
Hello.
We will process your pay weekly and on time. You must seek permission from your supervisor if you have to leave site or make an urgent phone call. You must respect the individual rights, privacy and property of others.
Thank you.
Make sure you sign in when you start the job and that your timesheet is completed each day. Please keep a record of the hours you work as well, for your own records. For your own safety, you are required to wear the correct protective gear as instructed by the client. While you are at work, you should only use your mobile phone during breaks. If you are sick and unable to go to work, call us as soon as possible, but a minimum 2 hours before your shift starts. Running late for work, call us as soon as possible before your shift starts. If you can't find the job site or need directions. If you want to leave site for any reason. If you want to take leave from work, call us at least 1 week before you want the leave for approval. If you face any health and safety incidents at work, call and report these immediately. If not urgent, please phone during business hours. We encourage our employees to work in a healthy and safe manner. Report any health and safety issues to your supervisor at work. Now, let's discuss some of the key health and safety requirements. Before lifting a heavy load, think about what you are going to do. Check the object for sharp corners, slippery spots, or other possible hazards. If you need help, ask for it. Use a trolley or divide the load to make it lighter. Know where you are moving the object to and make sure your path is clear. Just to let you in on the secret to getting work, phone us. We have a whiteboard in our office. Everyone who phones in for work Monday to Friday gets their name put up on it. Then when jobs come in, those people are the first ones to be offered the roles. So make sure your name is on the list. The length of an assignment is not guaranteed. It may be extended or finished sooner. Remember, make a good impression when you are at work. This could be the company that will want to take you on as a permanent staff member.